Hi guys, I'm Michelle from Filipina Bangladeshi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video we're going to unboxing our new fridge. So see you there and we'll see. So, ito na po yung fridge namin. Kaka-delivered lang and shipped it from Dhaka. So, I guess, in-order namin to sa online and it's take time, mga 1 week yung, ano niya, yung delivered.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side.
So guys, this is our new fridge. It's my husband there. So this is inside. It's very nice, big. So I had enough space. And the shelf, this is the door. I guess we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelf. So this is the normal, this part, and this is the freezer. So wow, we have enough. So now he let me to remove all the plastic and put this one, and we have the bucket. What is this? Oh, this is for the ice cube. Inside the eggs one. So let's do it.
Maybe we could be okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
So this one, we're removing the tape. I guess you help me. You do the other part. Help me do the other part. This one, this part. Remove this. Yeah, sure. Before Colonel. So we'll do together because our son will be crying soon.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
Yeah, I know. This is brand new and it's from Dhaka. How long the delivery take? From 5 days. From Joshua. We order in online, right?
Because it was on sale.
Oh, how much the original price?
148.
148, and then on sale?
120.
Oh, so 20%.
Around 25%. Yeah, 25%.
you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So now it's all clean.
Ta-da!
It's all clean and all the stickers removed.
Yeah.
So what's next?
What happened? This one is.
What? No, it's fine. It's removable, right?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Okay, so just turn it on
Okay,
after
so
1 hour. Okay. Okay. And what is there?
But I can't wait to turn it on.
No, just wait. Be patient. Be patient. It's locked after 3 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll press 3 seconds to lock.
How about the
Lock means no, lock is the temperature locks.
Oh,
It is inverter, so it will power will be less. This is
yeah. Energy saving.
fast cooling and freezing.
How about like
And cooling for energy.
compartment? How about like sometimes it's not closed well, like especially this fridge.
It's check. See, it's clicked. Look,
It's clicked?
Look, see.
Oh, okay. I mean, yeah, okay. I want that something that it will be beep.
Huh?
It if it's open, it will just
Oh,
beep.
yeah, it'll beep.
Huh? Oh, good, good.
It'll be.
Okay, we're done and
And remember,
Next.
one thing you have to keep it.
clean.
Clean.
No problem. I like to be clean.
Yeah.
So next time we will see what's inside the fridge. so after 1 hour we'll turn it on. Bye bye. Yeah, hi. So we're done unboxing our fridge, new fridge. So next time I'll make a video what inside our fridge. So and washing machine tool will come soon, maybe after 1 week and 3 weeks. I know 3 days. So okay guys, hope you like the videos and thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye and see you in my next video. Say bye. Bye.